I was just doing a Google search and I found your company name, and I did read some reviews and I looked at your website and I thought I would give it a shot and see what would come out of it. Let's just say it wasn't gaining any traction with respect to the insurance claim. There was some damage on the roof that occurred, and I was just looking for a company to address that particular issue. I met with Cody probably around April of this year, and I didn't realize that your company also offered public adjustment services as well. So it seemed like a natural fit to kind of, have him work on that as well as the actual work on the roof. So I didn't know what to expect from that experience, but at the same time I felt I was in good hands, or at least it was a better path than where, I thought it was headed. I think it's very difficult to try to get traction on your own to get the claim addressed in a timely fashion. I'm not going to say that it was addressed in a timely fashion here, but I think I needed someone on my side to kind of speak my own case more eloquently and probably in a more tactful manner that I probably wouldn't be able to accomplish. So for that, Revive Exteriors, did a very good job of at least getting the desired result that I ended up with. It wasn't easy, but at the same time, I think I kind of got the sense from Cody that, this is a process. And, again, I trusted his judgment as well as Rob's in terms of getting that claimed over to the finish line. Really, they kind of paid very minimum. Just basically expenses that would just match my deductible for all intents and purposes. I really didn't feel like that was justified given the overall damage that has been done when I made the claim. And so, I was very dissatisfied with the end result. And so, again, when I went through that process, I didn't realize that I could have made inroads in other ways to, get the roof replaced, as well as, address the structural concerns that would take place even if I did satisfy what the insurance wanted me to do. I didn't feel like that was a long-term solution. It would cause me some more headaches down the road. So I wasn't really happy with that aspect of the process. Ironically, we got most of it approved in addition to other things as well to get approved by the insurance. I think other measures that were recommended by Cody and his team in terms of ensuring that the roof would be not only healthy, but the attic as well, to ensure that there wouldn't be any complications or problems. He didn't promise me that they would be covered by the insurance, and he was very upfront with that. When I heard back from the insurance, or I heard back from Cody that it would be approved, again, it just gave me a great relief to hear that, you guys know what you're doing. I'm definitely in a better place now with respect to the roof and to the attic than I was, a year ago. So it not only met my expectations, but also exceeded my expectations here. It went so smoothly that I didn't really notice that any issues in terms of debris or garbage or anything like that. It was very professionally done. The crew was very honest and saying, well, we'll try to get it done for the day, but most likely it'll be pushed to another day. And I appreciate that. I felt that they were very expedient, but also very diligent. So, obviously doing the work during the winter is a little bit more difficult than it is during the spring or summer because of the daylight. So I really appreciated the crew's work, and I was actually surprised at how many people were there. But that's a credit to you guys to put the manpower in to get the work done. So no, I couldn't have been happier. If someone had an issue with respect to a roof claim or any exterior work that perhaps you're not really satisfied with how your insurance would handle it, I would definitely recommend your company to at least hear what they have to say, because you may be surprised at the work that they'll be able to do and the expertise that they can provide to kind of get you to where you want to be in terms of making sure that the home is, structurally sound as well as well taken care of. And I wouldn't have any hesitations in making that recommendation if someone asked for my opinion on the subject.